Good evening. Welcome to the second video tutorial of examination system. The first page of the examination system is man.master. Now the first item is a home page. Navigate to the start page.aspx. So what is the start page? What is the start page is here. Start page, no subdirectory is existing here, so the second page is start page. So open it. A start page contains simply a text here: ideas about online system and its goal. User can log into the system after successfully registration. Wrong answer deduct the marks. It's a simple. So you can write more about in the start page by using the design window. Okay, so writing it here like the third point. Okay, if not, so remove this. Now comes to the next page is the admin page. It's not saved. Now comes to the admin page. What is the admin page? Is admin login.aspx. Not subdirectory is also there. So admin login is .aspx. Admin login. What is the concept of the login is admin login takes two text boxes, first for username and the second for password. Now also hold a label control. When we click on the login button takes some codes. Con.open, actually con is an instance of the SQL connection class. Basically SQL connection class is used to making the connections between the front end to back end. So the single property is connection string in the constructor. Admin login is a class name and the admin login is a constructor. So this is the global instance of the SQL connection class. Create a object inside the constructor. Now create a now assign the connection string by using the configuration manager class. This configuration manager class actually exists in the web system.data.sql client namespace. What is the purpose of the configuration manager class? A configuration manager class picks the connections from the web.config file. So so configuration manager.connection string is an element name inside the configuration manager. So what is the connection string is database connection string. So what is the database connection? Yeah, there is database connection string. Connection string takes some parameter. Data source local db 11.0 is a server name. Attached database file, that is the e drive online db database.mdf file of your directory. Check it. E drive online db, yeah, database.mdf file is there. Database.integrated security is equals to true. It means a default window security is connected and timeout is 30 seconds. Okay, now again comes to here, the connection state is open in the when we click on the login button, that is click on login button. The command, what is the cmd? Cmd is the instance of the SQL command class. Create a object it here inside the constructor. So command text is a select restrict from admin account. Pick all the data from the admin accounts. What is the connection? Assign the connection to the command and read the data by the reader. Sequentially read one by one row by the reader object. So rd check the username from the table is matched with the text box. Yet that is the text box of the first data from the table is matched and also the password is matched, then session store a username, and usernames comes from the reader, that is table, database table. So database tables assign the username, and flag is a variable, that is a boolean variable, assign a bit false, it is a true, and flag is assigned with the false, and loop is a break, not move to the second record if first record is found. Reader clause, now flag is check, flag is double equals to false, it means the username is found, then directly respond to the admin add questions.aspx. What is the admin? Admin is a directory, that is here, admin is a directory. Now move to add questions.aspx, add questions.aspx. If user is successfully login, then directly move to the this page. If not, then flag value contain the true, so start page.aspx to move to the start page if not login. Add question, when user successfully login, when admin successfully login, the admin can add questions in the table, that is a question ID here, type of the questions, question ID is a primary key in the table, type of the questions you can type it here, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 and answer 4. The correct answer is placed it here in the integer value. If the first answer is correct, then put first in the text box. If second answer is correct, then put second is a numerical value, second, first is a mathematical value, sorry, or you can say, and the subject ID is depend on the subject is which is available in the database table. So I have some subjects in the database table. Look at that scene. Add questions directly move to the start page because is the first session is not match, so directly move to the first page, that is the start page. Okay, I think time is connection timeout problem because it's too late. What is the matter? Take much more time. Yeah, that is the main page. So online examination system. Yeah, that is the main page. It's not a main page actually. That is the main page. Okay, so take exam. Yeah, there is subject is GK, C++, Java and C#. So GK is the subject ID is 1, C++ is a 2, Java is 3 and C# is 4. So inside it subject ID is 1. If you can put some questions in the GK subject. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Come back in the video tutorial 3rd for more detail about examination system. Thank you very much.